for the X-1 team. 75 years ago yesterday, broke the sound barrier. We'll get a double demonstration, a comparison demonstration of the research that is advancing things to make things a little quieter when it comes to sonic booms, and you'll hear yesterday's boom and today's boom a little later. The G3, the F-15, and the F-18 from NASA. And Matt, welcome back. Sophia is open now. People can go and see the telescope, and that is just a beautiful thing. The F-15, the F-18 take about 10 minutes to get up into the corridor. We see that long probe out the back of the G3 as well, so there's all sorts of things on board.
Yeah, we use it as a science test bed. It's just like our pilots, Rick, our aircraft.
And you can hear it even in the wind. Some of the stories, I swear I could hear music too in celebration, which happened after that event as the G3 comes by again from NASA, and our jets, other two jets, continue to climb up into the corridor, but it was right out there in front of us rolling.